Why does research matter in the field of economics? Think about it. The study of economics at its core revolves around understanding the choices people make and how those choices shape our world. But how can we understand these choices and their impact without thorough research? The answer is simple. We can't. To comprehend the complex dynamics of economics, we need to delve into research. Now you might be wondering, how does one start economic research? Well, it's a process. A process that begins with the identification, selection, and formation of a research problem. Identification of a research problem is the first and arguably the most crucial step. It involves recognizing an issue or a gap in the current economic knowledge that needs further exploration. It's not about trying to solve every problem in the world, but rather identifying a specific area where your research can make a meaningful contribution. Once the problem is identified, the next step is selection. Selection is about defining the scope of your research. It involves focusing on a particular aspect of the identified problem that is feasible to study. This choice should be guided by factors such as the availability of resources, the researcher's area of interest, and the relevance of the problem to the current economic context. The third step is the formation of the research problem. This involves refining and narrowing down the selected area of study into a clear and concise research question. The research question should be feasible, interesting, novel, ethical, and relevant. With the research problem in place, the next step is justification. Why should this research be conducted? The justification should include the potential benefits of the research, its relevance to the field of economics, and how it will contribute to the existing body of knowledge. Next comes the hypothesis. The hypothesis is an educated guess about the possible outcomes of the research. It serves as a guide for the research process, helping to steer the collection and analysis of data. Finally, literature collection. This involves gathering all relevant literature on the research topic. This might include books, scholarly articles, reports, and other sources of information. The literature collected will provide a theoretical framework for the research and help to contextualize the findings. So, there you have it. The journey of economic research, from the identification of a problem to the collection of literature. It's a process that requires curiosity, critical thinking, and a keen eye for detail. But at the end of the day, it's a journey that helps us better understand the world we live in and the economic forces that shape it.